Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, tap on the watch face option. It will open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Once you find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and it will be applied on your watch. You can also customize some of the watch faces by opening the watch face menu. And under some watch faces you will see that there is this edit icon, and you can tap on it. So let's tap on the edit icon. And here we can change the color, for example. So you can tap on color and change it by swiping up and down. And then you can tap on the check mark or press the action button to confirm. And then you can apply the watch face like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.